So what did you do?
What did I do? I tried taking off the headers, but they wouldn't come off because the studs were starting to unscrew. Well, I got one.
Kenny, can you stop breathing so hard? Jesus Christ, I can't even hear Ryan.
You're the one that put Mike where it was
Darth Vader in here just...
That's crazy.
I can hear his breath like...
Please.
Kenny, Jesus Christ, shut up. Control the breath.
I have sleep apnea.
Hold your breath, hold your breath. Let me hear what he's saying. Can you hear us?
No.
Okay. Hello?
Yo.
Yo.
I'm leaving now. When you guys get off at 77, if you're there before me, just like pull over into one of the businesses once you go past Brecksville, and I'll do the same.
Why don't we just meet at the car meet? It's like a 10-minute drive down the road.
It's like 25 minutes, but all right. Yeah, that's cool. I'll just meet you there. See ya.
All right, love you, bye. All right. He's like, as soon as you get off 77, pull off into a business. I'm like, why don't we just, we're going to a car meet. We're all going to the same spot.
He doesn't want to pull up by himself.
I'm like, we'll talk when we get there. There's no problem. It's not a problem.
It's not cool when you pull up by yourself, alright?
He sounded really sad. I'm sorry. Like, I felt bad. I'm
Yeah, just be like, stop.
Please. Can you guys please wait?
I understand. I understand it, like, to a point, but it's kind of funny.
Alright, if anyone asks why my bike's making this noise, just say because it's 3 cylinders.
Nigga, my cheek's so damn big, I can't even breathe. It's because Jake put this mic up here, bruh. Stupid dude.
You can adjust it yourself, bro.
It's Velcro, dumb. I don't know how to adjust it.
Oh, we're gonna get this light for sure. My bike's gonna keep ticking for sure.
Damn, I can hear that.
Put it in the mic, bro. How the police force? How the federals? Bro, why is this like such a big thing when people are walking?
Cause the cars probably have to park far away. I'm assuming there's usually parking for bikes, so it should be alright. You gotta be hot in that jacket, bro. There's no way.
Nah, I'm looking mad tough in this jacket.
Which way should we go?
They've been kicking out bikes because they're full. I was trying to let those guys skate, but they're not accepting them. Most people are going down to Sam's Club.
Over there?
Yeah, it's about a mile down the road left. There's a lot of cars down there.
Okay. Appreciate that. Thank you. Man.
Kicking out bikes? Do you know who I am? There's a bike right there.
Oh, what the fuck?
There's 2 more bikes right there. You said go a mile down the road. I'm not going a mile down.
Sir, he's a guy.
Yeah.
Sir, I thought this was a mile.
This Harley taking up a whole parking spot. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna text Darren. I'm not staying here, bro. This
Look at that.
is dumb as fuck. Yeah, he's burning oil like crazy. Imagine pulling up to a car meet and they're like,
Yeah, we're not taking bikes.
Why do you seem so sad?
It's a 400, buddy.
dude, not even.
I don't even know where the main event's at.
A mile down the road.
Yeah, like way up there.
Oh, it's down the street for real?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They could tickle my balls for real.
Nah, I thought it would be like the last year's sunset meet or whatever, where we'd stand around, like our bikes would at least be within view, but I'm not leaving the bikes all the way over here.
No, definitely not. Let's get
I'm gonna
out
come
of
back and my shit's gonna be in someone's pickup truck on the way out of here. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing that.
Here. This dude,
He's so afraid of us for some reason.
He's doing laps. What's up?
Where y'all at?
We're going to Ross's house. He just put it in the group chat.
Where y'all at, like, right now?
We're at the car meet, but we got kicked out, so we're leaving.
I'm at Bagley Road. I'm at the marathon on Bagley.
Alright, well, we're going to Ross's house.
Alright.
Are you going? Alright. Dude, why is everybody so mad at me on the phone? I was just on a call with Bryan. He's like, I'm on Bagley. I'm like, alright, well, we're going to Ross's house. He put it in the chat. And he's like, I'm getting gas at the marathon. I'm like, alright, we're going to Ross's house. He put the address in the chat. And he's like, alright, and then hung up.
Did anyone get anything for Ross's birthday here?
Nope. I'll give him a smooch.
I got my emotional support here, my friendship here. This guy has been. You can park here.
It's on.
Oh, I can hear you.
Tick, 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 tick.
McLaren in the overflow lot.
Damn, the fucking sexy Lambo didn't even get in. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is insane.
I'm sorry, you gotta park at the
left.
I can't
going
hear you
left.
guys.
Left.
I'm gonna stall this thing, I just know it.
The clutch lets out very early.
I know I'm gonna stall.
Be careful.
I stalled it the last time I rode it. Let me Brazilian rep bomb it.
So I guess I'm riding the Fireblade. That's gonna be fun. He said he's getting some weird vibrations from this, so I guess we're gonna figure that out. That's a touchy little throttle there. Be careful. It's a lot. I can already tell, like, off the bat, this is a very different dynamic than that bike, so just, yeah. Be careful. Give it some throttle when you first take off, because you're gonna notice the clutch lets out extremely early. It's smooth, but you just gotta. I set it to be pretty early.
Bryan! Where, you guys leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing's tall as fuck!
Whoa.
Yo, shit! Hey, Bryan took our parking spot. I think my Fireblades, I think my forks are busted. Dude, I think my exhaust busted.
Dude, this thing feels so upright. It's crazy. I can't
Yours
believe
is
how
so bent over.
I know. I cannot believe how comfortable this thing is.
Yeah, she's kind of known for that. This feels so much like a Honda. I just want to say that.
In a good way, bad way.
I can't. I mean, in a good way. I mean, like I said, it feels consistently Honda. Definitely lacks torque.
Oh yeah.
So what speed do you feel it at?
Just feel it.
I don't know if I'm just tripping.
Yeah, yours feels the same. I think I'm just tripping.
This feels great, actually. I don't know. Yeah, you're tripping.
Alright.
It's just sport bikes, man. They wobble. They,
Yeah, I was just panicking.
Dude, talk about turning radius. That felt amazing. This thing is...
Yeah, boy!
Holy.
Oh yeah! Dude, that thing's awesome!
Oh, dude, this thing feels great. I love it.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, get the hype.
Oh, dude.
I mean, it's not like I've never ridden this thing before.
One of these... Yeah, but now that it's like perfectly good now,
We're gonna have a do a night where we swap or something, and you can just feel that thing out for the night.
The wheel came up. I was like, it's smooth. It's not like anything ridiculous.
No, it's super smooth.
I like this.
I can't believe how comfortable this fucking bike is.
I would love to buy one of these if they didn't cost like 32 grand.
This thing feels like I'm on a naked bike for some reason.
I have aftermarket rear sets, and it's like set to the most comfortable position right now. So
I left that thing just raw as I could have changed it, put lower rear sets on it, but I never did it.
that's just
Literally,
average
that's
seating
the
position on this thing.
Literally, that is the seating position. Yeah. Feeling this kind of makes me want to get one, I'm not gonna lie.
But my issue is that these two bikes, like they have minor differences, but they're still too close. I can't justify having that and this.
This doesn't even feel like a sport bike. Like, I can't even describe how this fucking feels. It feels amazing. What's my temperature at?
209.
Jesus.
That one, you can only read the temperature if you go into the menus.
Alright, how do I Brazilian rev bomb this thing?
If you hold down the start button, hold it down all the way.
This right here?
Yeah. I don't know if you got
No, I'm not gonna do it.
I was gonna, no, it's safe, it's fine. As long as you don't bring it off a limiter.
I hold this down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it down. There you go.
Yeah.
Now hold the clutch in. Put it in first gear. Now red bomb. Dude, the flames are crazy.
Am I still in that mode?
Yeah. I wouldn't do it again. I mean,
I'm not gonna. I might get the f out of this.
Hold it down again for 3 seconds.
Hold it down again?
Yep. That should go away. Yep.
Holy sh**.
Dude, that was crazy.
How big was the... That's what I was saying the other night when we left Cilantro. You were shooting flames like this far.
Dude, I hopefully got that on video on this one.
I hope so.
That's crazy.
I told you, this thing's crazy, dude.
I love that bike. I think it's
You never get to see it.
I know. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of weird seeing someone else on your bike. It's like seeing someone drive your car. It's like the weirdest thing. Yeah, see, like this thing, you can like full throttle it for a second.
No, it does nothing.
That bike, that's 1000. If you do that shit, it's like, you know,
yeah, 12 o'clock. Well, that's what makes that bike good, though. I mean, also, if I change the gearing, it will change that.
Yeah. Like, this bike, I'm sure, has a higher top speed.
I literally cannot get over how comfortable this bike is. That feels good.
I know.
It was at this point in time when the cops showed up to the party. I guess we had too many sport bikes parked out front. They just came, yelled at us for a little bit, told us to, knock things off, and then they left. So, yeah.
I can't go that fast consistently, but if I do get into a chase, I gotta go.
Well, I'm just gonna haul ass because I gotta go home. I gotta change my clothes and real quick. So
I'll try to keep it within range. This is gonna be tough to keep up. This backpack is thick.
Brother, you don't have to. I'm not gonna like balls to the walls. Like,
oh yeah.
I mean, I might for some portions, but it's like I gotta do some shit when I get home anyway. So it's like,
yeah, no, I'm gonna see if I got time to hop in the shower. I'm gonna see where you're at. Just text me when you get home. Or text me when you're leaving.
I'm probably just gonna change clothes because I already showered. I mean, I'm sweating right now anyway.
That's what dude, I was sweating hella earlier. So
we're gonna be sweating in the bar anyway. So
that's good point. Good point. Good point. Dude, that's what someone said. So I made that video.
Oh, this is awkward.
What? Oh. What's up, man? Well, now we definitely can't run from the Stadies because now they know where we're getting gas from.
I don't fear the enemy. Is there a paper towel anywhere by you?
I've never seen a cop getting gas at a gas station. That was weird.
The state trooper thing is like right down the road.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That makes sense. I don't know the area too well. Checking yourself, making sure you look pretty. You look pretty.
No, dude, it's like...
Why don't you go ask him how his night's going, man?
I'm gonna ask him if he ever chases bikes.
Should.
I think I'm gonna. I think I might. Like, he seems... Well, I can't really just say he seems cool, because, you know, how would I know?
You don't know.
I'm gonna go, hey, you guys chase bikes? And I'm gonna say, you think you can catch me? And if he says yes, then I guess we'll find out. Nah.
Definitely getting a picture for sure. Oop, that was a flash.
Act cool, act cool, act cool.
I can take a better photo than that.
Oh no, he's leaving.
I see him. He's probably getting on the highways to cool it when we first get on.
No, he's going to they got that station over there.
No, I guarantee you he's getting on the highway.
You think he's getting on it?
How much you want to bet? Let's follow him.
I bet you $1 he's not.
Let's follow him. Let's go.
Is he going left or right?
He's going left.
If he's going left, he's going down to the thing that's over there.
No, he's getting on the highway. Now let's go.
Yeah, he's motherfucker.
I want to see where he's going.
Their state trooper garage is down the road. That's
I guarantee you he's getting on the highway.
I guarantee you his shift just ended.
I guarantee. Why is he filling up with gas?
Because he's saving it for the next day, so he doesn't have to do it.
No, that doesn't make any sense. No, that implies the fact that state troopers are proactive and think ahead about consequences of their actions.
Man, I'm telling you, he's going.
Man, I'm telling you, he is fucking not. And why? Listen, hurry your up so we can see.
He's gonna get on 57, and then he's gonna keep going. He's not gonna go on the 10 and the 480.
It's the dumbest conversation I've ever had in my life.
Man, suck.
You're just contrarian. You're just trying to say the opposite of whatever I'm trying to say, and it's pissing me off.
Wait, did he already turn?
Yeah. Took 19 years to get your gloves on.
That's my bad.
And now I got a fucking trip getting on the highway thinking he's gonna be sitting anywhere, and he just saw us get gas, bro. He looks like a young dude. He's gonna know.
Bro, he can't prove it's me.
Yeah, he can.
Nah.
Dude, if he wants you bad enough, he will absolutely get you.
Listen, if I just blow his doors off and keep going and he doesn't try, then
you just put your... Dude, he watched me take a picture of him right there.
He's got to prove it.
He's going to see a white and a black bike fly by, be like, huh, I just saw those two at the gas station.
Listen, you're talking like he's got an IQ that's like 140. They're not the brightest.
Valid. But this is also not rocket science, so pretty sure they get...
We're dealing with the super troopers, bro. My visor is fogging so bad.
I know. I mean, once our freeway speeds, it should be fine. But dude, we're so cooked. He's gonna be sitting right there as soon as we get. Ross was literally telling me he's been sitting there the whole night.
Bro, I'm giving this the beans going down here.
He's not gonna be sitting right here. I'm thinking he's gonna.
Oh, here, we're gonna know. We're gonna know right there.
What do you mean? What do you mean right there?
He just gave it the beans right there in that truck. If he's a road cop, we'll pull him over.
Dude, he's not going to be sitting here. He's going to be sitting on the highway. He's a highway patrolman.
Well, technically, they can patrol anything because they're a state trooper. They can patrol anything.
Yeah, but they usually see him on the highway. Well, I guess we'll find out.